Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're doing a quick house. Step 1, build your dimensions from 6 by 7 by 8 by 8 by 13 by 15 as direction of build. So you start from the very top over there and you're going to work your way back around. I know I don't have 6 blocks in front until the last second. Next up, you're going to place your doors and then place your oak planks on the sides. This part was a little difficult because I wasn't sure the best pattern to use for the front. I built this on spot, I just decided to try to record and see what I could build, so just bear with me. Alright, next you're going to get your same type of wood you've been using, and you're going to connect all 6 corners from the top with horizontal lines. change this window. We're just gonna, so this one will be a little different. We're just gonna put one row of cobblestone going up to the top of the room on that side. Then same on the other side. Gotta make it look nice. Okay. So now you're going to get your wood choice, and we're just gonna put an upside down staircase on the outside, along with the horizontal lines. Next up is the wood bars go to the side of the gate. That way, first go to the block in. It's gonna match up with this trapdoor as well. make upside down stairs around the shape again. This is where it started really telling me how it worked. I was like, I can do this. So what we're gonna look for is some D's now. Like I said, I'm just going with the flow. I don't plan any of these. I just try to build as I can. Just I'm going to do a lot more with